welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing Passion Twist, which is going to be my 2019 spring break look. To part my hair, I use the rubber band method because as a beginner braider, that is just the easiest method for me at the moment. So the hair I used was the Expression Bahama Curls 24 inch in the color 1B, which that color matches my hair almost perfectly. For the style, I used my crochet needle or knot, whatever you prefer to call it. I also used my Jamaican mango and lime blacks or black wax for this style. So here I'm going to take my crochet needle and stick it at the base of my section. So once I latch my hair to my hook, I'm just going to pull the hair all the way through so that I have two even sides. I'm going to split my own hair into two even parts, and I'm just going to start twisting as if I were doing a twist out. I'm also going to start using my my wax at this point. So I'm just going to repeat the same steps I did previously with the last twist. So as I am dunking my hair, you can notice and see that some of my braids or some of my twists do not look that good. They look really bulky and kind of sloppy. And that is because some of my sections were far too big. And you can just prevent that by sectioning smaller. Very simple. I should take my own advice. So now you're just going to be watching me style my hair, as in I'm going to put like little accessories, like the little clips and the thread on my hair. And that's pretty much all I do for this style. So with some of these, I was trying to hide some of my more ugly twists. As you can see, I am twisting some of them and then clipping them or putting the thread around them. So this is a good way to hide all of the little ugly ones that, you know, aren't as great as, you know, the ones that are great. So guys, this is the final look. I think it's very cute. It's very springy. It's so cute. I'm just so cute, y'all. No. I don't mean to be cocky, but I'm cute, y'all. And this hairstyle is super cute. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Watch my last video, etc., etc. Love you guys. Bye.